Are you constantly getting logged out of the Spectrum TV app? It's a common frustration, but there are several reasons why this happens. Primarily, the Spectrum TV app uses sessions and cookies to keep you logged in. Sessions are temporary periods where the app remembers your credentials, usually lasting 24 to 48 hours. Logouts occur when these sessions expire due to inactivity, device switches, or server resets. Cookies, small data files stored on your device, also play a role in auto-login. Corrupted or conflicting cookies can disrupt this process. Account-related issues like expired billing, password changes, or exceeding the maximum number of simultaneous streams, 5 on Spectrum, can also invalidate your session and force a logout. As of recent updates in 2025, most logouts are now tied to network instability or account verification failures rather than widespread bugs. But understanding these fundamentals is key to fixing the problem. First, always ensure your Spectrum TV app is updated to the latest version, as updates often include fixes for session instability. Clear the app's cache and data, or even reinstall it. This often resolves cookie-related issues. Force stopping the app and restarting your device is another basic yet effective step. Verify your Spectrum account status on the Spectrum website to ensure your billing is up to date and your password hasn't been recently changed. Ensure a stable Wi-Fi connection. If you're an advanced user, check for VPN interference. Looking ahead, trends point toward proactive AI-driven solutions. Spectrum plans to integrate AI troubleshooting to auto-fix session issues. Zero-trust authentication and blockchain-based session management are also on the horizon, aiming for seamless and secure streaming experiences with fewer interruptions.